Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Cook with CG. Today we are going to do potato stuffed bread cutlets. Okay, now we will see the ingredients. Bread, we have taken bread. Next is mashed potatoes, 5 medium sized potatoes. We have cooked and mashed it. And next we will see the coriander leaves. We have chopped it finely. Next is curry leaves. We have taken 2 types. One is chopped and one is full. Next we have taken 2 cups of basin flour, approximate 250 grams, and we have taken 2 to 3 chilies finely chopped. Next, the ginger and the garlic. We have chopped the ginger and garlic very small. 4 to 5 pots, big pots. We have taken garlic and 1-inch ginger. Next, we have taken turmeric powder and little garam masala. Next, salt. Next, the oil, vegetable oil we have taken. Next, we will see the procedure. We have to take the 2 cups of flour and put it in a bowl and put little water and mix it well. Um, it has to be a batter consistency. Mix it well, add more water required. For 5 medium potatoes, we have taken 250 grams of basin. You can adjust the basin quantity as per your stuffing. Now add little turmeric powder, little, a pinch, and mix it well. Mix it well and see there is no lumps. And next, little salt as per required. Now I am doing with my hands to crack the lumps and to get the smooth consistency. If you can also do with the beater for smooth consistency. I am doing it my hands. Now I am mixing well. See, now the consistency is very good. See the consistency, it has to be like this. Then we will get good cutlets. Now our batter is ready. Now we will go to the next step. Now in the gas you will take one kadai. Let the kadai get heated. Now my kadai is heated. Now I am adding some oil to the kadai. Now wait for a second. Now the oil got heated. Next, ginger and the garlic and the chilies. Add the curry leaves, chopped curry leaves, and saute it well. Let the raw smell of ginger and the garlic go. You will get nice flavors. Wait till it is cooked. And next add little turmeric powder. 2 pinch of turmeric powder. And saute it very well. Now I am adding the mashed potatoes. Mix it well so that the masala and the potatoes get mixed and give a good taste. After mixing it, add little of garam masala for flavor and salt for taste and mix it well so that the salt get mixed everywhere and give a good taste. And put off the stove. and next we have to put little coriander leaves and mix it well. And after that our stuffing is ready. Now we will take the bread and cut into triangle pieces for the good cutlets and shaped cutlets. You can also make small. You can also make 4 pieces, and after that you have to take the stuffing and put on the bread, not more and not less, equally you have to put. You can also use your hand. You have to put the stuffing every end so it will give a good taste, and put the bread on the top and close it. I have shown 2 bread. I have got 20 stuffed cutlets like that. After that, take one stuffed bread and put into the basin batter and put into the hot oil, and then fry it very well. The color of the cutlets inside the oil will slowly change. The color of the cutlets have slowly changed now. I think it is ready to serve now. Now we will take it out of the oil. At last it is ready now. See how good it is. Now cutlets are ready to serve. Please like our video and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel.